After installing your Mendeley, one of the other thing you need to have is your Mendeley Cite, so that you can always link it from your Microsoft Word to your Mendeley account. So to get that, come to Tool, inside Install Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word. Click on it. It's going to take you to your web page, to this particular web page. So click on Get It Now. So, but for some of you, it might prompt you to log into your Microsoft account, blah, 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 blah. Just make sure you do all those ones and then click on Open in Word and click on Open here. So it's going to open it in Microsoft Word. So this is Mendeley Cite. So it's going to bring it here so that when you come to your references, you will always see this Mendeley Cite at the left at the right corner of the Windows of the references tab. So you can always click on it, and later on I'm going to teach you how to go about the functionality there. But for some of you, maybe that method might not work. All you need to do is click on these add-ins. So at this add-ins at this at your home layout, at your home tab, at the farmost right corner, when you click on add-in, you can always search for the add-in here. Like maybe because mine, since I already have it as an add-in before, you can always click on get add-ins. It's going to prompt you to this particular uh, admin page, and then you can always search for what you are looking for, which is Mendeley, and then you can always add. Because business, okay, continue, but for me I've already added it before, so it's all the same thing. So you can either use that method by from your Mendeley desktop app to get it, log in and the likes, or you can come here directly from your home pane and click on add-ins and search for the add-in. So those are the two methods to install Mendeley Cite.